What's the meaning of baby buggy? Baby buggy. Baby buggy.
Baby buggy. Baby buggy. The term baby buggy refers to a small carriage or stroller designed for infants and young toddlers. It typically consists of a frame with wheels, a handlebar, and a seat for the baby, often with a canopy to protect them from the sun or rain. Baby buggies have been in use since the early 19th century, when they were first introduced as a way to transport babies and young children more easily and comfortably. Today, they remain a popular and essential item for parents, allowing them to take their little ones on strolls and outdoor adventures.